me!
All right.
Wait for me.
You're welcome!
Oh, nice room. Hey, Barbie, look. Is this room made for us?
It's our name.
Yay.
Remember, the only way out is the shore. Bye-bye!
Huh?
Bye-bye.
Huh? This must be for us. Seashells. I'll open this one. Huh? Wow! Oh, how exciting! I love surprises. And I love it even more when it's makeup. Oh, let's try it. I'll secure the mask at the back. Then give my face a much-needed massage. You'll never know how tense your face is until you try it. It's so relaxing. All that work is exhausting.
Classic Barbie. What's in the world? It's just a boring old sponge. Might as well use it. Oh, my makeup is totally gone. I sure hope there is makeup in this kit. Bingo! Any good makeup routine starts with the eyes. I'll dip my brush into some violet eyeshadow. We want it all over the eyelid. Then I'll take some glitter and blend it with my finger. Now I want to keep it simple for the blush and the lips. A simple nude color would do, but with a touch of sparkle. Who needs highlighter when you have glitter? Watch out, Ariel! There is a new mermaid princess in town. She's still sleeping. Hey!
Thanks for waking me up. This should be done. Voila! My makeup is ready. I could get used to this. Maybe my lips could be a tiny bit redder. Nothing a red lipstick can't fix. Now, scales are a must in mermaid land. So let's grow some, shall we? Eating one tiny scale will do the trick. It worked.
Wow! Do you have some more?
Of course. I'll give you a purple one.
Down the hatch! It worked like magic! Barbie, look!
Oh, you look stunning! Let's open the next shell. What do you have for me? A key? What does it open? Try opening yours.
Maybe it's a treasure chest? Oh, it's just seawater. Oh, there it is. Come to mommy. Ouch!
Bye-bye, ladies!
That really hurt.
Don't worry, I'll do it. I hope I don't fish any crabs. Shall we open it? I hope it's a good loot. Shimmer me, Timbers! We struck gold! Oh, poor thing. This will make you feel better.
It sure did. Thank you.
You are welcome. Now it's my turn to accessorize. Nice!
Oh, wow!
There must be more in these islands.
Look, there is a map.
There must be treasure hiding in these spots. It should be right around here. Jackpot! And it fits perfectly. Let's go to the next one. What's hiding under the rock? It's a necklace. Oh, it is so beautiful. Just look at these rocks and pearls. I look like mermaid royalty, don't I? But I'm not done. There's more treasure to be found. Just like this ring. Oh, perfect.
Well, aren't you lucky? Map says there is something here. Surely they don't mean this coconut. Wow, I bet there is treasure inside. It's too hard. Stubborn little thing. Oh, come on! Watch out! Oops, sorry.
That hurt and did nothing.
I know how to crack it open. This coconut is no match for this high heel.
Whoa!
Let's see what we have here. This necklace is so me. How do I look?
Oh, like a queen.
Oh, hey, little guy.
Look at this face. Oh, slay!
I love it!
Dolls, it's time to... Where did they go? This is unacceptable! That scheming lobster is behind this! They dare defy me? I know where they went. I'll come at them stronger than a tsunami! It's all coming together! Yay! Now, what's next? Say
Oh, wow.
What is it?
Wow!
Huh? It's a closet full of clothes! Cute, but it's dirty. I can't wear this. Unless you're going in the washer. I'll wash it in some glitter, so it comes out sparkling. Now let's wait for it to do its magic. It's done. One glittery top coming right up. Wow, it's so cute. Let me try it on. Don't look.
Oops! Wow!
Fits like a glove. Perfect.
Cool! I want one of those. Wow! Is that a sewing machine? Let's get to work! First, I'll cut the clothes right down the middle. Then get rid of the excess. Now let's take this bad boy for a spin, shall we? I'll use the machine to combine the clothes together. We want them on top of each other. Next, take a glue stick and go to town on it. Then sprinkle glitter all over it. The sparkler, the better. And we're done. How about a try-on? Wow, check me out!
Oh, lovely! We've got a few more shells to go. Oh, that never gets old. Huh? Must be a puzzle of some sort. Aha! They are scales! I'll stick them on top of each other until they make a tail. Check this out! I'm ready to catch some waves.
Wow, I have to make my own tail too. I'll lay this on top of the drawing. It needs to be completely covered. We don't want a toe left behind. Wow! Mission accomplished! And we both look amazing!
We're mermaids! We are gonna turn heads underwater.
Period!
Ooh, are you okay? Let's do the next shell.
1, 2, 3. Wow! It's a crown!
Did I just become a princess?
We sure did!
Oh!
Twinsies! Let's open the last one, shall we? Whoa!
What is that?
Black pearl! What does it mean? Huh?
Weird. Found you at last.
Evil mermaid!
I sure am.
Well, take this!
Ha! Is that your best shot? You need practice.
We gotta go!
You ready?
Swim!
I heard Little Mermaid is DJing.
We're here for the party!
Great, but wait a sec. Are those feet?
Feet? Fit?
It's a mermaids-only party. See?
What? What? Let's go. Wait! Pretty please?
I said mermaids only. Now go.
You don't have to tell me twice. Let's go, kitty. It's not fair.
Oh, poor thing. Fine.
Whoa! A makeover kit? Huh? Isn't this our lucky day? Let's see what we've got. Me first. Seashells! Wow! Wow! I'll start with the first one. What's in it? I must have one too. Whoa! Black seashells. Just the way I like them. Whoa! What's this? What is it for? They're glitter patches. They make a great tail. What? It gave me a tail. I'm a mermaid. Look! Wow, I want one too. But my tail is gonna be darker. I want it with a hint of blue, pink, and purple. Check this out. It's like I was born to be a mermaid. Are you ready to swim? They look lovely! You said it, girl! I can't wait to swim in this! We're gonna make a splash! Yeah! Wow! Whoa!
Are you okay? Hey, see that subscribe button?
Why don't you click to see more of our videos? Can I go first this time? I wonder what's in it. Whoa! A washer? For what?
Beats me! Now, what do you have for me? A rack full of small clothes. It's got every style in it. This one's cute, but it's dirty. Ew! I'll go with something else. It's dirty too. Hang on. Hey, Kurumi.
What? Fine, take it.
Yay, you're the best.
No, thanks.
Whoops, sorry. This ain't no ordinary laundry. So, I'll wash it with a dash of mermaid dust. Let's take it to a spin. Oh, it's finally done. Nothing like a fresh set of laundry. Fitting time. Wow, it fits like magic.
Hey, I want new clothes too. You better share, kitty.
Oh, I've got something for you. Pick one.
Purple, of course.
Want some of my mermaid dust?
I'll use my own. Thank you very much. My outfit will be dark, just like the ocean. Down the hatch. Now let's turn on this bad boy. Wow, so relaxing. Oh, what's with that washer? Oh, it's done. Look how gorgeous my top is. Wow. Hey, no picking.
Whoops. Wow, you look beautiful. All right, my turn. Shell number 3. What do you have for me? Is this what I think it is? Giddy makeup! It has everything I need to turn into a mermaid. I don't even know where to start.
How come she gets all the good stuff? I better get something good too. You've got to be kidding me. Might as well practice breathing underwater. Oh, great. Now my makeup is gone.
Oh, don't mind me. I'm just trying out a new look. I heard Sparkle is trending all over TikTok. That's why I'm gonna go all in with diamonds. That deep sea party is gonna be lit. One last touch for the star of the party.
I wish I had makeup too. Hey, there is more over there. Let's go magnet fishing. I'll just hover the line over the makeup, and voila, I've got a full set. All those years fishing for snacks paid off. What a haul! I'll start with purple eyeshadow. I'll put it all over my eyelid and blend it up towards the crease. Now I'll add some blush and some lipstick to complete the look. Just wipe it across for all a light color. And of course, we can't forget some glitter.
Is that glitter? Can I have some?
No.
How about we trade?
For some run-over fishnets? I can make good use of this. I'll wear it all the way up to my elbow. Then put makeup over it.
So, how about a trade? The glitter.
What? Oh, right. Here.
Thanks!
I'll dab makeup on top of the fishnet.
As for me, I'll squeeze some glitter right on my arms. Then I'll use a brush to spread it all over. I want every spot sparkling. Wow, they look just like scales! Can you believe I was a cat 5 minutes ago? Huh? What happened to my ears? They've turned into girls!
Check out my work! Ever seen scales this cool? I made them myself.
Your gills are cool too!
Oh, of course! Only the coolest for me! Now let's see what we have here! Huh? A boring old key. What am I supposed to do with this?
Alright, my turn! It's just stale water! I can't believe it! Not even a fashion site! Oh, wait! It's a treasure chest! There's something in it, but it's locked!
What? Hey, give me that!
No, it's mine!
I have a key, hello!
Fine!
Open sesame! Whoa! And it fits me perfectly.
Oh, I wish I had a ring. Oh, look! A message in a bottle! Let's open it! Huh? It looks like some sort of a map.
Give me that!
Hey! Found it!
Ouch!
Oh no! Now I don't know where it leads! I must get it back!
I need that other half. Whatever. I don't need it. I'll just follow this line.
What am I gonna do?
Nothing.
Gotcha! Not.
Is it here?
Oh, here? Nuh-uh.
It's here somewhere.
Ouch!
Watch where you are going.
Hey, wanna combine the maps?
Why not?
Whoa! There it is!
Whoa! Wow! It looks just like the map.
I'll start digging here. I hope I find something good. A starfish ring! Jackpot! It goes so well with my look. But we're not done yet. Let's go big or go home. I bet this map has got something more for me. Maybe under this mountain? I knew it! This pearl necklace really ties the look together. Oh, what's under the volcano? A gorgeous headpiece. Now that's explosive.
She got all that from the map? What does it have for me? A pineapple? Under the sea? This is a joke? And there is a fan in it. I'm surely not fan of this. Whoa! It's like a twister! Oh, it's powerful enough to blow anything away! Treasure! I wonder what it is. It's a headpiece. Now I feel just like a mermaid princess. And no mermaid will be seen without her pearls.
Shall I open the next shell? 1, 2, 3! Huh? It's too dark! I'll shine a light in it. What treasure shall I find down there? Bingo! Pink nail polish! Lucky!
That's exactly what I need.
Let's get down to painting. I'll start with the bottom, then swipe it to the top of the nail. Repeat for all 5 fingers. Then add some decorations. Did you think I was gonna forget about the glitter? This little mermaid is sparkling all over. What do you think?
It's too pink for me. I sure hope I find something darker. Seems like a normal drawing. There you are. Just the shade I wanted. I'll dab nail polish on every finger. Then I'll get right into decorating. Everything I need is in this container. I'll sprinkle the stars right on the wet nail polish.
Nice! Let's open the last shell together.
Wow!
I see you are done with the makeover.
It's you!
Let's show off our looks. So, what do you think?
Let's see. You've got the bedazzled look down. Sparkling from the headpiece all the way down to the tail. Good.
What about me?
Oh, shells. Nice touch. And girl, you are sparkling. And great job on that tail. You are going to the party.
Yay! Wow!
We're finally in!
Hey, welcome!
You guys look amazing. Oh, where did you get your hair done? It's about to go down.
I know a great spot over there.
Yeah, we made it!
Yay! It's so fun!
My job here is done.
Whew, it's boiling in here. I need a drink.